the $13 American Express Black Card. Check out what I just got in the mail from Amazon.com. This is literally $12.95 on Amazon's website, and in the credit card community, we really do not have that many fun things outside of points and travels and actually being inside of the niche. I know if you're like in the film photography area, you get all these accessories, or if you're in the car market, you get another whole bunch of accessories, even in the tech market, but we're really limited in the credit card industry on like fun things to have. So this is one of those items you guys should consider. So it comes in these two little black envelopes, and this is definitely like from a manufacturer in China, besides the fact that it's printed right there that it says it's made in China. But this is the black card opener, and it actually is very heavy. I'm really surprised, but check this thing out, you guys. This is a pretty damn close to it. So it's actually a novelty like thing you can keep in your wallet. Its main purpose is to actually open bottles. So if you guys are someone that likes to drink a lot and you want to have a little fun, this says Boss. It has some random numbers on it, and it says American Expensed. It could be very possible that they actually think American Express is said like this, American Expensed, because honestly, that's how a lot of Asians have their accents. This is a very interesting item just because it has so much weight to it. You hear that? Jeez. So I don't know if I would keep this in my wallet just because of how heavy it is, but honestly, this is like a novelty gift you guys could gift to your credit card friends or someone who's really obsessed with this type of card. It's really nice to have, and if you're at a party or something, you can open your bottles. I think it's really cool. But I'm reading through the comments right now, and it's pretty funny. I think I need to go over some of them. This is just what my friends and I need since drinking. It's the way we all bond. The bottle opener is so nice and doesn't even bend how hard you open the bottle. This is a badass bottle opener, and you would not think it's a bottle opener unless you really look at it. Alright, I don't know about that one, Chief, because there's a big hole in the middle of it. Neil says, great that you can bring it anywhere. I was looking for a card design bottle opener for my dad and grandpa. Now I bought 2 of these. There's no way they will struggle in looking for an opener. They can just stick these items inside their wallets. Head turner to say the least. Grabs every woman's attention in a bar when it hits the table. Huh? Here's my overall impression. This is definitely made well, and before people ask me, yo, Brian, is this your own Amazon FBA product? No, boy. Why would I make a package like this? If I ever have my own Amazon FBA product, I feel like this is really pushing it. Like, I feel like I could get a lawsuit from American Express by creating something like this. Maybe not. Maybe this actually works, you know, but I would not make something like this maybe in a couple of years, you guys. So if I see a ton of clicks actually going over to the Amazon affiliate link, I'm seeing like a couple thousand clicks to this and a lot of people are actually purchasing it, then maybe I'll get into the American Expensed bottle opener card. But for me personally, I actually don't drink, so I don't really have a purpose for this. I'll actually just give this to my friends. There's no reason for me to have this. It's too heavy for me to carry this in my wallet. But if you're someone that likes to go out to parties, if you're someone that likes to go out to the clubs and you're drinking a lot, then this is something that is definitely for you. Plus on top of that, guys, it's just a fun little novelty gift. You can gift it to any one of your friends. Now let's talk about the quality of this thing. Like it said, it has a very fine finish, but you can see already how prone it is to fingerprints, but it doesn't, like, this is like a straight piece of, guys, you know what I'm saying? Like, your boy hits the gym a little bit, you know? I'm not afraid to say that, but this is not OB. This is a bottle opener. So I guess if this had multiple functions, then it would definitely be like a useful item that your boy B. Jung could carry. But honestly, I think it's just a cool little cheap novelty gift that you guys could have laying around. I've seen these and I've seen like giant canvas posters that I'm actually really interested in. Here is the signature card holder that we also got on Amazon that 4,000 people actually clicked on when I made this video. So there are a ton of wallets out there, but it seems like the general public really enjoys, you know, what I have to carry. So this is actually very affordable. I forgot exactly what price it was. Definitely under like 15 bucks, I think. So a lot of people bought this, you guys, and I was really surprised. Let's see how well this fits into the card holder that I'll also list below. So first pocket, it has no problem. We got the second card. Has no problem at all either, and that looks sick, you guys. If you know about credit cards, you know if you see this.
Like, dang, that I got the American Express black card. Oh my gosh, honey. Look at that thing. He's a baller. Aha!
It's like, nah. Yeah, so this is like the ultimate flex right here. I'll put in my other old like rose gold card right here. So that's in there too. And this already feels like a very heavy, important wallet right here. So I got 3 thick metal cards. A lot of people ask me like how many cards can fit in this. You could fit a lot. Look, I could fit another metal card in here. So right now there's already 4 metal cards, and on top of that there's a back slot, and then there is a slot in the middle as well. So you guys could fit a lot of things in here. But for now, this is what it looks like if you guys want to fake flex on people. You have the American Expensed black card, and if anyone actually asks you, yo, you got the black card, you can be like, yeah, I got the black card. And if you really come off confident, I feel like you could pull out one of these. Yeah, I got the black card. How's it going, baby? You trying to have a dance with me, sweetheart? And just don't show them the little bottle opener part. But yeah, guys, I really like this gift. So a lot of people have been putting this in our Facebook group. That's where I first found out about it. We do a lot of these what's in my wallet posts where people show off what their wallet is. And I saw a post and it looked just like this setup right here. And I was like, yo, what the, like, I didn't even notice it at first, but it said American Expensed, and I looked into it, I ordered it, and I wanted to show you guys high quality piece of material right here, and I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 Jungy Tomatoes, and if you guys are interested, I have this all linked in the description below. Very metal. I do not own this product. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys
smash that like button.
No, but really, go hit that like button, you guys. Definitely helps out the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.